One, two. One, two.
Teka lang, be. Ano ka naman? Masyado ka naman momokoji.
Ano?
Momokoji, be. Kailangan mo nakatabi ng koji. Be, parang na-stress ka na today. Diba yan?
Day in my life as junior
Picture daw, be.
counselor.
Binidyo ka. Sige na.
Wow. Wala kayo na?
Nagbubulak lang sa klase ko.
Ay pa. Doctor yan? Oo. Doctor yan? Bawal tayo magkalimutan. Kasi mga ginamit dyan. Teacher!
Ay, ano ba yan? Nagbibideo pala ko. Kayo na ko siya.
Oy! Dapat magata tayo. Ay, uupo tayo.
Hello everyone. So, banda talaga kami actually pero hindi
Naging
kaya
duo.
ng dalawang member namin. So, kami na lang. Mag-go na lang kami ng member. So, yung first song namin is Hanggang Kailan May original. Sana magustuhan nyo kasi ngayong araw lang namin kami nag-practice.
Nasunod ka din. Mas tabi ang ano mo. Kita mo, sunod na sakit dito. Hospital na. Ano daw banting?
Ay,
Sila banting. Ay, tinawag. Ay, di ba ganyan? Si Moji! Huwag ka magkakamali! With pressure! Angeline! Day namin araw. Basta mahaba yung ano, title. Basta may yakap dito. May interview ako for BOWS, planning committee. Pag nauudok na ko, tapos alam mo sabihin ko, pwede ko daw muna ako mag-meeting and mag-interview. Nauudok na ko kaya ako. Oh my goodness, I can't say that. A boss. Kaya, titigaan ko na lang ang udok eh. Kasi nga, bawal naman ako. So, yan na lang ang time ko para mag-udok. And I can do that. Kasi nga, may interview. Kaya yun, I'm torn kung maudok muna ako or ma-interview muna. So, I don't know. Ano ko sa YouTube. Tapos, ang laptop ko, ako niya pa mag-connect sa wifi. I have to connect to wifi kasi nga, may interview ako. Pero I am going to use this tablet. But still, parang na-anxious ako pag ang laptop ko hindi nakakonect sa wifi. Pag interview ako, weird. But still, yan. Oh my goodness. What if habang nag-interview nauudo na ako? 15 minutes pati ito. Baka yun na pang pinakamabilis na 15 minutes sa buhay ko. Pinakamabilis, pinakaloy. Okay, so tapos na si interview and I don't feel good. I feel sick. Kasi feeling ko, they don't like the answer. Like, nagyayabangan sila. Something like that. Or something like, they don't like. Oh, I did it. Baka ako na lang nag-isip. Ako na nag-isip ko yan. Pero ano ka ako yun? Dapat ko na, ang yaam lang duman sa interview is si mga ma-interview lang talaga sa ako, sina sa planning committee, sina sa external committee. But why? Bakit? Bakit nandoon? Yung ibang tao, it's scary. It's ibang ng online, but still, it's scary. And then, nabulol ako, te. Nabulol ako sa pagtimbag. I don't know how to answer it. Something like that. I know how to answer naman the questions. Pero kasi, di ko aram, I was pressured by the pictures. Kasi, kawas, ako yun niya si mga nasa picture. Sila ko yun si mga tao duman. I was so pressured. Halos gabos na officer rin na yung duman. Tapos, very boring. Not boring, very intimidating. Si like, what the heck? Tigaro, nanindo kayang maging arog ni Kuya Morse pag nag-i-interview ning mga applicants. Kaya ako sa external, but sayang man si mga ideas ko, but still, okay lang. Okay lang kasi kaputin mo. Wow! Video ni, video. Mag-hi ka mo.
Anong MF?
Oo.
Ano to? Bakit may sobra dito?
Ganito yan. Nagpa-flat yan pag suot.
Ikaw lang yan gumawa. Galing.
Sa tablet.
Impress mo nga. Sabi ko hindi ako bibili ng ring. Hintayin ko lang may magbigay.
Necklace. Eh di sarili mo yung nagbigay. Oh.
Any? Magkano to?
Yan nga, digdi ang price. Hindi ko tanda ang price.
Mga worth ilan?
Ewan. Dahil, mga doon man yan.
Ako alam maganda na kulay. Sino gumawa? Ba't sila rin gumawa? Ayoko.
Ano ba naman to? Parang di barkada.
Kaya nga, ayoko.
Ang mga
Eh, gusto ko to, eka na lang. Tapos pwede palagay ako nung letter Z lang. Pwede customize.
Saan mo gusto? Na lang kung mag-guide. Guide ka. Wow, cute. Sorry ka.
Promotion of Bicol Music. Let's all welcome Mr. Earl Edson Lara Kaminda.
Hello, so good afternoon everyone. Nakikita niyo naman ako, diba? So,
First, before I start, welcome sa ating BUNyo Snap and Go.
Yay!
Ito po ba sir yung first na photo ko sa campus? Remember ko tayo ng, ay meron ng dati. Pero ayan, ngayong 2023 tayo yung first. Yun na lang yung natin. So, welcome sa BUNyo Snap and Go.
Kami ay Alam, malabo. Mag-hi ka mo. Hi! Oh, uy, sayang kasi binayad mo mag-picture ka.
Sumama para maglakad. Dalawang
Wala.
meron yan. Tingnan mo mabuti.
300 lang. May bariya ako sa 5 piso.
Nag-video ako. Pang vlog ni.
Hello, vlogger.
Scitech 2023.
A day in my life.
Wow!
A day in my life as Lori.
Yes! Gandang mabuhay as Lori. Oh. Ay, ang mga ano ko. Sakit na ng pako.
Before we start the round two, may we request the dancers to please go over.
Big Bang Bante Beat.
Tsaka dapat kumikinig ka sa judge. Ayun ka din.
let's worldwide to infinity. You know the
mula sa ngalan ng Aghama Teknolohiya. My name is Clyde Cincinnati, 19.
My name is Daisy Riantazo Camo, 20, from the home of innovations and technology, Computer Science Department!
Walk this way.
This is Karen Doniger, Spreading One, representing Computer Science Department.
Babalik ko sila.
Nasaan sash mo?
We have collaborated with local businesses, which is institutions with other bodies together.
Grabe tarpaulin. Ay, shit. Anong gagawin?
And yes, when using digital footprints, it involves the usage of different applications in order for you to protect your privacy and most importantly, to protect your surroundings at the same time. Promotion is sometimes not seen by an naked eye. You can use their emails, so you can produce CO2 as much as you want. You can also reduce your greenhouse gas emissions inside your house by reducing to protect your privacy and your identity. I would like to remind you that you should not use or create phone from time to time, contributing to CO2 that may affect our environment. Being cautious means being aware of everything. That's why in this 21st century,
Sige na! Sige na! Go, 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 go!
We say that artificial intelligence or AI has become the norm for today's society. With things like virtual assistants, things like algorithms, in theory,
Let me again remind our audience na sana maging quiet po tayo pag nagsasagot po ang ating mga kandidata at kandidato, and be respectful for when they are answering. Parang really.
I am feeling productive right now as a computer science ambassador. I already am proud of me representing it.
Hindi. Ganun talaga dapat kayo sa mindset natin. Dapat ma-represent lang natin ang college as a good way of representing that. And representing
Is my first pageant inside the school, but good thing is I am using that pressure in order for me to strive more and in order for me to answer the question as best as I can, because
So for our ambassador, your judge is Mr. Spencer PNHU.
In an era where green meadows have transformed into sprawling cities, do you think the process of modernization has on balance brought more harm than good? Why or why not? In an era where green meadows have transformed into sprawling cities, do you think the process of modernization has on balance brought more harm than good? Why or why not? I believe that this situation calls for that the sprouting islands and the process of modernization should.
Hello, good evening, Miss Computer Science.
good evening, sir.
Okay, the question here is, Philippines, how would you celebrate and preserve indigenous knowledge while embracing modern scientific advancements for the nation's progress? I will repeat. Reflecting on the unique cultural heritage of the Philippines.
An interesting question. In this world that is covered with blanket of ameliorating innovations, we should also remember that we have our purpose. And when it comes to preserving and embracing our cultural heritage, we can use what we have right now in the 21st century in order for us to expand, not just today, but also in the long run as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ambassador and Ambassadors from Computer Science. Now we will be Ambassador of Meteorology.
Hindi yan sa akin. Di ba ba ko yan sako? Wala. Ano? JC? Ah, ano yan? Ayos lang.
Yung natin, parang ng panalo yung natin.
Ano yung panalo na?
Top animals yung binigay. Ano sabi ka? Nag-improvise na rin ako kasi wala. Pag-bake na.
Oh!
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang laban.
Natanggal ang?
Sino mag-ano? Specify mo yung demerit. Na naman! Specify mo yung demerit ka na.
Sige, mag-away kayo. May snackan, libre yan.
Actually, kasalanan ka naman ng mom saya.
Go guys!
Laban ko tayo.
Go guys! Paglabanan yung third place.
Ayan. Wala na tayo mag ready na ba ang Team Medlog? Yan, ayan, screen, Team Medlog! Wala na naman dito. Team WC America ng Energy! Yay!
Alis.
Dapat para na tayong strategy para tuloy-tuloy ang laban natin sa tatawa. Hello.
Una silang natanggal. Ang linya nila.
Paano ba to?
Ay, may pa. Ay, dito mga punishment yung vocal ko.
Dito tayo.
Tama.
Mapasnak!
ID niyo, patanggalin ID niyo.
Oy, ID nyo! ID! Mapasnak pag natalo.
Wala po sa extra.
Panalo nyo yan!
Ang laki ng ano.
Ready na? Ready na? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!